Hello. We are now continuing with YM 2010 individual training. We will continue with the vector libraries using vector libraries. When we click on the vector pounds command here, it gives a window. As you can see in this window, at the top there is the libraries section. It offers us three options. Option 1, Sour Croci. The products in the library here are the vector library. Artcam buys Iserian Hazır Sizimlerimi Bulunduğu Vektorları Vermekte. He divided this into three parts. Croci sour, simple and senatic. When the Croci sour clicks, we get in C, angles, bandit, grovet, muscle. Various figures, shapes and vectors are given under the headings of round up and counted. When I open the erector, it will be at the point of the origin. Here it comes out like this. Now we can use the wound sides by pulling them out and making them larger and smaller. As you can see, in the second option here, there are ready drawn denoted chiefs in the pulse section. Here's the real snow.